This guide is your definitive solution for resolving Lenovo laptop microphones that have unexpectedly ceased functioning. Having personally encountered this frustrating audio input failure and meticulously testing numerous approaches, I've identified several reliable methods to restore your microphone's performance, and I will now guide you through each one. The first method addresses potential driver corruption or outdated files by accessing Device Manager, expanding the Audio Inputs section, right-clicking the microphone device, and selecting to update the driver, choosing the automatic search option, and then following the prompts. We ensure the system is attempting to install the most current and compatible driver, which is often the root cause of intermittent audio issues. Method 2 focuses on the fundamental Windows sound settings, where a microphone can be accidentally muted or its input volume set too low. Navigating to the sound settings, checking the input tab, selecting the correct microphone, verifying it's not muted, and adjusting the volume slider addresses simple yet common silencing factors. Method 3 leverages Lenovo's proprietary software, Vantage, by running a hardware scan specifically for audio devices. This diagnostic tool can often pinpoint hardware-level issues or configuration problems that standard Windows tools might miss, providing targeted repair suggestions. Finally, Method 4 delves into the system's BIOS settings, as the audio controller itself might be inadvertently disabled at a fundamental hardware level. Accessing BIOS, locating the audio controller, ensuring it's enabled, saving changes, and then rebooting into Windows allows us to confirm that the hardware is active and ready for driver interaction, thereby completing the comprehensive troubleshooting sequence.